if you are looking forward to creating an e-learning platform, maybe to sell online course, a university website, a coaching website, or probably a distance learning website, or anything in the educational niche, you will notice that this kind of websites are different from the regular kind of websites. And for you to achieve the e-learning website using a theme that is specifically designed for online course or e-learning platform will make the process much more easier, giving you access to some premium features and plugin that will make your website look professional and beautiful. So with that, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 online course WordPress theme that you can use to create your e-learning website or platform. Okay, so before we get into the video, if you are new to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, do make sure you like and then you share the video. And all the courses I'm going to be recommending in the course of this video, I'm going to leave a link to them in the description so that you can also check them out. Okay, so now before we look at the first theme that you are going to be looking at, let me know in the comment section what kind of e-learning platform do you want to create. Okay, what kind of sites are you looking forward to create? Are you looking forward to use it for coaching? Are you using it for online learning or maybe for a university? Okay, so let me know in the comment section below. All right, so now let's go ahead and look at the first theme that we are going to be looking at. So the first thing we are going to be looking at is EduBlink. So like you can see here, education and online course WordPress theme. So like I said earlier, it will come over to this site. I'll leave a link to it in the description. So once you come over here, so you can see it here, EduBlink. So if this is the theme that you want to go for, once you're on this page, you see the option here to add it to cart, and then you'll be able to add it to cart. Once you purchase it, you download all the themes and the files, and then you upload it to your WordPress site, and then you are good to go. Okay, so now let's take a look at EduLink. So once you're on this page, so this is more like some information about what the theme is all about and what it has to offer. But let's check the live preview. So once you click on the live preview, and then you'll be taken to this page, which is the preview page. So you can see perfect for education and online course WordPress theme. So for this particular theme now, it has 22 home pages. WooCommerce, Zoom, and event management are included. So it has 22 home page that you can actually choose for. That's like 22 demos, okay? And also, these are the plugins that works well with this theme. And these are plugins that are used for educational websites, okay, or e-learning. So LearnPress, Tutor LMS, LearnDash, and the likes. So if you scroll down, you can see our core features all your website needs. So front end and real-time editing. If you are a fan of Elementor page builders, that means the demo works well with Elementor page builder. Then one-click demo import. So that means if you want to import the demo straight away, so you can also do that using just one click, and then good loading time. Now let's talk about what makes EduBlink stand out. So you can see here they have 22 demos, use typography option, updraft, fast speed, and then so talking about the demo. So these are the demos here. So we have this EduBlink for education, for distance learning, for university. So if you want to create a university website, this is a demo for you. So if you want to check out any of the demo, just click on it and they will open up, and then you see the different section and the different layouts of each of those demo. So this for online academy, modern school, kitchen. So that means if you want to do online training or online tutoring that has to do with food and the likes, this demo comes highly recommendable. This is for language. If you want to be doing language, maybe you want to be teaching language, there's a demo for you. There's a demo for kindergarten and schooling. There's a demo for yoga instructor. So that means you want to be doing coaching, it is also part of learning. It is part of education. All right. So it is not just limited to school environment, okay, or maybe college or high school. So these are other things that you can also use the theme for. For business coach, remote training, motivation, you can see over 22 plus demo, health coaching, gym training that you can actually choose from. And if you are very creative with using Elementor page builder or using a page builder that works best for you, can also use it to create something different from the demo that they have there. All right. So now in terms of plugins, complementary plugins are bundled with EduBlink. So you can see it here. They have MailChimp, Redux Framework, WooCommerce, Contact7, BuddyPress, Gutenberg compatibility, GamiPress, and GDPR compatibility. We have Zoom integrations. Like I said earlier, Elementor page builder, responsive layout. Okay, so that's to let you know that it appears well on all kinds of device, and especially mobile. You also have to make sure, since it's mobile responsive, because there are high chances that a lot of your viewers will be actually watching your courses or your video via their mobile device. All right. So this is some inner layouts. Apart from different homepage designed for you, this is also to show you that there are different layouts for some of the inner pages, maybe the course page, the category page, and the like. So this is just showing you what it actually looks like. So once you come on this page, if you scroll down, you're going to see more features that this theme also promises. It's 18 plus innovative course style that suits you. So this is a different style that your course can appear on your website, and there are different style that you can actually choose from. So if this theme actually suits you or fits what you intend to achieve when it comes to online learning or maybe online course or educational websites, then you can then go ahead and pick this theme. Okay, so you can see it's one of the trending theme right now. So you find a link to it in the description of this video. All right, so that's the first one. Now let's look at the next one. So before we actually even look at the next one, I already have one of the demos sites opened up. So this is one of the demo. This is what one of the demo actually looks like. So let me just run through it real quick. So you can see the different section of this demo sites. Okay, that's from EduBlink. Now let's go to the second one, and you can see the home page, the inner pages, and everything, how it is been laid out. Now the second one is called Course Builder. So it's another online course WordPress site. Okay, so this is more or less, this is $39. So now let's check out the live preview. Let's scroll down. So you see that it also works with some other plugins too, like WooCommerce, Live Course, LearnPress, Elementor Page Builder, and WP Bakery. Okay, so these are two page builders that it works well with. And some of features here: professional support, 2,000, over 2,000, happy clients, and then website trust. Now, in terms of demo also, this also has its own set of demo, about 9 of them. So we have this corporate learning, Coursify, Edu Institute. So if you are creating a website for an educational setting, maybe a university, okay, there's a template that you can actually work with, and you want to create something that allows you to sell courses. So this is another demo that you can work with to do that. And this is just different variations and different design, different concepts. Just go through it. And if you want to do test prep, okay, so maybe you want to have a website that provides solutions to assignments or questions for students. So this is a demo for you. All right. So then again, let me know in the comment section what kind of websites you intend to create. Okay, so let me know in the comment section. All right, so now let's continue with this course builder. In terms of other plugins and other features, so you can see certificate. There's an option that allows your learners to get certificates once they complete this course. You can also do paid membership. Then in terms of payments gateway, you have to check out authorize.net. These are some other core features that the theme actually promises or that it has. Okay, course review, commissions. Okay, and also this also works with Elementor Page Builder. So we've seen that earlier with different customizing options, widget and short code. So you can get some pro widgets using this particular one. So mobile friendly, I said it earlier, make sure that the themes that you're picking is mobile friendly. And I've taken out time to make sure that all the themes that I'll be recommending to you are mobile friendly. All right, so if this also interests you, once you're on the page, just go ahead and add it to cart, and then you are good to go. So guys, if you are finding value in this, please give the video a thumbs up. Now let's check out the third thing that we are going to be talking about. The third one is called E4 or F4. So E4 coaching an online course website. All right, so now let's look at this. This has currently about 13 demos. Okay, now this is one of my favorite theme. So you can see this is one of my favorite theme, compatible with the current version of WordPress. Now check out some of these things, these amazing deals that you're getting for $99. So highly customizable WordPress theme, Jet Elements that's worth for $3, Jet Pop-up that is about $22. Then now this two is what makes this theme very great. Okay, that is one of my best theme out of all the theme that I'm going to be recommending. So you can see Tutor LMS Pro Lifetime Access, which costs about $499, and also Amelia Booking Pro Lifetime Access, which costs about $296. Okay, so all of these together, you're going to be getting it for just $99. Okay, so you can see that's the price of this particular thing. Okay, with this premium lifetime license for all of these plugins, you're going to be getting all of them at a discounted price of $99. So it's a great deal for you, giving you more option and more features to work with, right? So you can see that with the pro features, these are more things that you're going to be getting due because you are getting a pro tutor LMS, the pro version. And for Amelia booking, okay, so this is what the pro version of that plugin offers you, and you're going to be getting all of this when you purchase this thing. All right, so now let's take a look at the live preview. So if you're on the live preview, this is what's, let's look at the demo first. Let's start with the demo. So you can see these are the demos that are available to you that you can work with. And if you want to create yours, you know, maybe something different from all of this demo, you are free to do that. All right, but if you want to make it much more easier for you, or you feel like, you know, you like what you are seeing, then you can go with the demo. All right, so guys, this is it for E4. Let me know what you think about E4 in the comment section. Now, the next on our list is Omexo, Professional Education and Online Course Website. All right, so now let's take a look at this. This also works with Elementor, Page Builder, and then you can see online. Omexo is a modern education LMS WordPress theme suitable for online course, selling, e-learning, training center, education institute, education hub, education center, and like. So anything e-learning, anything education, this Omexo comes highly recommendable. So let's look at the core feature. So you can use it to create and sell online course. You can use it for lesson and quiz builder, course assignments, set course prerequisites, course certificates. So that means you can offer them certificates. So earning and commission. So if you want to, you know, create affiliates platform for users to promote your course so that they can get commission, that features is available within this theme. Okay, so instant notification, dashboard for instructor, you know, multiple payment gateway, powerful options, and the likes. So these are some of the features that you're going to get when you choose Omexo WordPress theme. All right, so now let's look at the live preview so that we can check out the demo. So this is one of the demo of the sites that you can get with it. So you can see they've designed this professionally designed. So these are the category for courses, and then these are some of the courses itself. Okay, you can see this is, there's a comment section, and then we have, if you want to showcase some of the instructor, if you want to have a blog section. All right, so this is not the only demo that is available. So if you click on this home, you can also check out the other demo that are available. You can also check out the pages, check out the course. So this will just allow you to see what the demo site actually looks like. Okay, but all in all, Omexo is another great online education or online learning WordPress theme. Next on our list is LM Smart. For LM Smart, you can see online course. The next on our list is LM Smart. So these are education WordPress theme. So for this theme now, you can see Tutor LMS, which is one of the plugins for creating online course. The demo is already included. LearnPress LMS demo included. LearnDash LMS demo included. All right. So the three popular plugins, Tutor LMS, LearnPress, and LearnDash, you know, these plugins basically are plugins that they use to create online sites. So those plugins are available within this particular theme. All right, so now let's check out the live preview. So this is the live preview for it, suitable for all educational, web, training center, college, academy, university, school, and the likes. So now let's check out the demo. So these are the demo. This also has great demos. I think about all right, so 6 different demos that you can actually work with here. So you have this first one, second one, and the third one. So whichever one that suits you. And the demo site also, you can modify them. So it's not compulsory you use just everything the way it appears. So you can also modify them. So the demo works with Elementor Page Builder. And if you also want to learn about creating a website with Elementor, I have a separate tutorial for that. You can check my list of videos for that. Okay. So here is Zoom. So this is another integration within the theme. And then we have all of these plugins: WooCommerce, Modern Event Calendar, Contact 7, BB Press, then this for multi-language. This is Paid Membership Pro. All right, so if you want to offer membership, and if you also want to sell within your online site, maybe you want to sell a course of the likes, you can also achieve that. Now you can also, it also has a feature of giving people, your students or people that enroll to your course certificate. So you can see create certificate and student certificate on course completion. All right, so just like the way the likes of Coursera and Allison does theirs, where you get a certificate after completing a particular course. So with this theme, LM Smart, your students can get a certificate after completing their course. All right, so this is showing you some of the inner pages, the design of some of the inner pages. If you want to import any of their free designs or their templates, you can easily do that. So this is what it actually looks like. Again, this is just showing you some of the other features that you get when you decide to choose LM Smart. All right, so guys, if this also interests you, you can just check the link in the description, LM Smart, and then you can get this for $38. Okay, so that's if probably you're on a budget, you can also get this theme. All right, so now let's go ahead and look at the next thing. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinger to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinger is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember you're also going to be getting some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinger. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinger is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right. So now let's continue with our video, which is Calvi LMS WordPress theme. For the Calvi now, it has 9 demos and some other great features. So these are some of the demos here. So for kindergarten, for online learning, for one course, if you don't just need a website that will act as a landing page to promote just a single course, then you can also consider Calvi WordPress theme. And then you can also use it for university websites, and then you can just use it for anything that has to do with education. Okay, the theme comes highly recommendable. All right, so different course layout, course design, and every other great features that you need to make sure you have that professional looking. So you can see some of the layouts here so that you can have that professional looking online training, online course websites. Okay, so 250 plus interface section ready, 9 amazing pre-built niche demo, use over 600 useful elements and page templates. All right, so that's a lot you'll be getting for $59. All right. So now let's look at another one. So the next one we're looking at is like this is the seventh one, I guess. All right. So the next one we're going to be looking at is Eduma. So Eduma WordPress theme. So this is another theme that comes highly recommendable. Okay. So I've mentioned one earlier. So this is another one that comes highly recommendable. Okay. So now let's also examine this. You can see compatible with WordPress, compatible with Elementor, compatible with WPML, GDPR, LE, and this has a lot of demo, 34 demos. All right. And the demo cut across different educational niche. So you can see it for education news, online learning, course marketplace. So if you want to create a course marketplace, there's a demo for you, learning platform with light and dark mode, Eduma e-commerce, Eduma mobile app using Flutter and then using React Native. All right. So now let's examine the live preview. So let's check out the live preview. All right. So now this is the live educational WordPress site. So let's check out the demos. So you can see here 38 plus demos, and you can see this is the main one, online learning for marketplace. So this is a demo for marketplace. So once you're on this site, you can just check them out. And if you want to check out any of these demos, like you want to see what the inner pages look like, the inner section, you can just click on them and then you see what it looks like. So you can see these demos on this particular row now. They are for university sites, very suitable for university sites. So you can see them even from the demo. So you can see that the hero section is having what looks like a university building. Okay. And a whole lot of other demo language, tech, course hub, one instructor. So if you want to sell, if you are just the only instructor on that particular site or course, there's a demo for you. Okay. And if you want to do that of a restaurant, maybe you want to start to take you want to sell a course that has to do with food, there's also a demo for you. There's 3 demos. Definitely you see a particular demo that will work well with what you intend to achieve. So you can see with the number 1 management system plugin, that's LearnPress, and then it works with Elementor and everything that you need. You can see it here: student list, certificates, random quiz, co-instructor, collection. So these are the features that is available within this particular thing. Unlock 22 premium add-on at no extra cost. All right. So you can see these are some other add-ons that you get for free instead of paying more to get it. All this add-on has been included once you purchase this Eduma WordPress theme. So stunning plugins and integrations, you can see it here. Customization by page builder. We have Elementor page builder, then theme Elementor kit. All of these are available for you when you choose Eduma. All right. So once you are okay with it, because this is another thing, like I said earlier, that comes highly recommendable. Okay, I recommended one earlier, and this is another great one that comes highly recommendable. So you can, if this interests you, just come over here. Find the link in the description, click on add to cart, and then you can get access to download all the theme files and get started with your educational WordPress website. So guys, I hope you are really finding value in this. Please give the video a thumbs up if really you are finding value in this. And if you are yet to subscribe, please click on that subscribe button. All right, so now let's look at the last one on the list is Master Study. So Master Study is another great WordPress theme. So you can see it here from the display image here. We have 100 plus unique features. This is another plugin that works great with Elementor Page Builder. So let's go ahead and explore the live preview. So if you click on live preview, so you'll be taken to this live preview. So if you want to check out the demo, so once you come here, you click on demo. So you can see that it has different demo. We have the classic LMS, the light mode, the dark mode for coding. If you want to look at a demo that is more focused on demo, there's a demo for that. Cooking courses, architecture, private instructor, distance learning. You know, if you want to do the Udemy type, you know, they are all available. And then R2L, that is right to left. That means the theme also supports right to left compatibility. That means for websites that the language are written from right to left rather, so like Arabics and the like. So these themes actually support websites like that. All right. So if you also scroll down itself, you're going to be seeing all of the demos here. You can see it here. Well designed, properly laid out. And you know, like I said at the beginning of the video, you know, education and online learning websites are different from the regular or the basic kind of website. So getting a theme that actually has all the features that will make your site look professional is highly important, and Edu and Master Study actually provide all of this for you. So you can see these are all the demos. You can take out time to check them out one after the other. Okay. So I was just scrolling through. You can also scroll through this. So you can also use the theme to create quiz. So you can see multiple questions and the likes. All right. So with that, guys, I've gone ahead to share with you about 8. Okay, I know the image actually mentioned 10, but while preparing for this video, I had to take out 2 just to make sure I recommend the best themes for you to get started with your online learning website. All right. So if you find value in this, please give the video a thumbs up. Again, we looked at EduBlink, then we look at Course Builder, we look at E4, we look at Omexo, LM Smart, Calvi, Eduma, and then we also look at Master Study. So let me know which of this theme you're actually going for in the comment section below. Let me know which of this theme is your favorite theme and what kind of website you intend to create. Okay, so like I said, I'll leave a link to all of this theme in the description of this video. Also, kindly check out the Hostinger theme that I recommend earlier. So to take advantage of that 73% discount, kindly use the link in the description of this video. Using that will give you the discount plus free domain. Okay, you also get free domain to get started with your website design. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find value in this. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.